In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share photos on Google Drive with friends. This is a straightforward process that makes it easy to send images to others with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly share your cherished photos with your friends or family using Google Drive. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Google Drive homepage. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to log into your Google account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see all your folders and files laid out in front of you, including the photos you've stored there. Now it's time to choose the photo you'd like to share. Browse your files and find the specific photo or photos you want to send. Once you've found it, click on the photo to select it. You'll notice a toolbar appear along with your selection. Next, look for the three small dots that typically represent more options. These are your key to the next step. Click on these dots, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu allows you to perform a variety of actions on the selected photo, but today we're focusing on the sharing option. To share your photo, hover over the share button within the drop-down menu. As you hover, you'll see a sub-menu pop up which provides more information and additional sharing options. Once satisfied, click on the share button to move forward in the sharing process. This will open a new sharing window. It's here that you'll specify exactly who you want to share your photo with. You'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the friend or friends you wish to send the photo to. Ensure the email addresses are correct to avoid any mishaps. Before you send, you can also set permissions. Do you want your friends to just view the photo, or should they have the ability to edit or comment on it? Tailor these settings according to your preference to maintain control over your shared content. Once you've entered the email addresses and configured the permissions, it's time for the final part, clicking Send. You'll find this button located in the lower right corner of the sharing window. Clicking it will instantly share the photo link with the people whose email addresses you've entered. And there you have it, your photo has now been shared via Google Drive, effortlessly reaching your friends' inboxes. This process is not only quick and easy, but also an efficient way to send high quality images without the hassle of file size restrictions found in traditional email attachments. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to share this video with anyone else who might benefit from learning how to share photos on Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.